I was going to say, don't waste it.
Just save it. Oh, well.
Woo, we won!
The winners, the Goop contest winners right here. Good job, Goopers.
Hi, I'm the youth.
Right on the hat.
That's how I feel about UCLA.
Oh, you're the green bean machine.
Holy cow, your hair is covered in goop. Are you going in face first, David, or what?
I'm just going by the grid. No, save it. Save it. Save it.
I think everybody's done.
Everybody come over here.
Hold on, the winning team has to. Hold on, you guys. You guys, come in. Come in.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yay.
Okay, the winners. Back up, back up.
All right, here we go.
Sit down on the ground. Sit down.
Sit down.